Welcome! In this video, we will detail some of the techniques and tools needed to cut Kuvio dimensional wall tiles. You will learn how to make simple 90-degree cuts utilizing a Kuvio cutting template and a table saw. A cutting template acts as a jig for non-linear cuts. You will also learn some techniques to achieve accurate dimensions and make complex cuts easier using a chop saw. Let's begin with simple 90-degree cuts. These simple cuts will likely be the majority of the cuts you'll be making. Lumicor offers a cutting jig for 4 different shapes to assist cutting tiles out in the field. Cutting jigs allow the tile to be easily cut horizontally or vertically. For the best results, we suggest using a fresh saw blade and securing the Kuvio tile to the cutting template with tape to minimize any potential movement while the tile is being cut. Once you are ready to cut the tile, move the tile slowly and steadily through the blade to ensure you have a clean cut. Depending on the pattern chosen for your wall, there may be instances where a 90-degree cut won't work and a more complex cut is required. A technique we found that helps save time and ensures accuracy is to create your own template of the shape using the Kuvio product box that the tiles were shipped in. To start, trace the shape onto the cardboard. Then, cut the shape out to give you the accurate dimensions of the tile. Next, fit the cardboard template into the tile's desired location. Mark the template with a line to establish where it needs to be trimmed. Using a straight edge, follow the line with a utility knife to cut the template to the appropriate size. Then, check your cut to ensure its accuracy on the wall. Place the trimmed cardboard template on the back of the tile and mark the tile with a cut line. Before cutting the tile, you'll need to transfer the cut line from the back of the tile to its front. To transfer the cut line, approximate where the line will be on the tile's face and apply tape. The tape serves 2 purposes. 1, the tape protects the tile's surface during cutting, and 2, the tape provides a surface you can write on to transfer the cut line from the back of the tile to the front. To transfer the cut line from the back of the tile to the front of the tile, continue the line up and around over the edges of the tile so they are visible from the tile's face. Once you've established your cut line, align it with the path of the saw blade and secure the tile temporarily into place. We used the combination of simple wood blocks and a hot glue gun to anchor the tile into place while it's being cut. When you are ready to cut, slowly move the saw blade through the tile to minimize any microchipping of the tile's finish. Next, clean up your cut part by sanding the tile down to the correct dimensions. We used a belt sander for speed, but block sanding by hand is effective and doesn't require too much work. Once the tile is cut to size, apply adhesive to the back of the tile and install it on the wall. Thank you for watching our How to Cut Kuvio Tiles video. For more information regarding the tools you'll need for installation or additional install tips, check out our other videos or visit our website, www.lumicor.com.